All right, guys, today we're doing a love seat and a couch. This is a microfiber. We're going to get clean and deodorized. Stay tuned. All right, guys, happy Friday. Like I said, we're doing this love seat and this couch. This is a microfiber, and we're going to clean it, make it hygienic, get all the soil load removed, and then deodorize it when it's done. If you guys need this service, reach out. We got you covered. Right now, we're pre-treating it. We're in Valmeyer, Illinois today. A lot of, dog odors, kids spilling stuff. This needs to be clean. If you need the service, like I said, AOcleaning.com. We got you covered. Ayo, let's go. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we got two in the books today. We're doing this one. We got another one in Columbia. Again, this is a microfiber. It's coming out pretty good. Nice. Remember, we clean first for appearance and second to make it hygienic. AOcleaning.com, guys. This client's excited. Any more guys who live under furniture, it's a good idea to get cleaned at least every other year and get it protected. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we'll update. We already did that right there. We're doing this one. Again, if you need your upholstery clean, give us a call or visit us online, AOcleaning.com. Got you covered. We love upholstery and fine fabric. Carpet, tile, upholstery, hardwood, ducks. We believe in a healthy indoor environment for you and your loved ones. Look at that, guys. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, guys. We just got finished doing the upholstery. Looks great. Back to original state. It smells divine. Now we're gonna reprotect it, and that's a wrap. All right, guys, we're gonna reprotect this upholstery with Scotch Guard protection, keeping it cleaner longer. Ayo, let's go. Thanks for watching. Ayo, let's go. Hey guys, this is my client Stephanie in Valmeyer, Illinois. We just took care of her upholstery and she wants to leave me a review. Without further ado, take it away.
Ryan did a great job. They look great, they smell great, and I'd recommend them to anybody.